Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team here in Naples, West Florida, and we're here at a new listing in Twin Eagles Golf and Country Club. So let's give you the quick tour. And this is a great community. Golf is included. This is the master suite. I'll just give you a quick tour. His and hers. Both sides there. Nice size shower, separate toilet. It's lovely and peaceful in here. The only noise you're going to hear today are the landscapers. So you have access to the Lanai from the master, your outdoor kitchen, and it's offered turnkey, beautiful spa, and a large pool area. And as I said, the only noise you hear are the landscapers. We have a virtual tour for this property too, so we'll have the text code here in the on the video. Nice kitchen, dining area, and there's beautiful ceiling details throughout. The home is very well finished. It's an Isabella floor model, or floor plan, whichever way you want to put it. 3-bedroom plus a den. The den could be used as a bedroom. This is the den here. New carpets. You have your closet there. So technically it's a 4-bedroom house. Closet space. That's your view from here. So over here we have 2 guest bedrooms, guest bath here, and guest bedroom. The home is obviously move-in ready. Bring your toothbrush, that's basically all you're going to need. The owners have moved to another home in this community, so that speaks for itself. They have upsized, and this home has been very well maintained. It hasn't been rented out or anything. Washer dryer. We're just doing the 3D tour at the moment. So a nice size garage. So, you know, if you know somebody that is looking for something with golf and golfing community here in Naples, this could be the property. It's very well priced, and again, just click on the information here. We'll have the text code, and we'll have a link to our website with all our listings as well. So again, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team here in Twin Eagles Country Club in Naples, West Florida, and you know, this is going to be a wonderful home for somebody for sure. Alrighty, we'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.